how to share threads post to Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. Okay, so there are two ways to share threads post, which includes sharing your own thread post and sharing others' thread post. Both of them have same process, so today I'm gonna share my own thread post. In order to do that, you'll have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see your thread post. Now click on the share button. You can see the post to feed button. Click on it. Here you can crop your photo or keep as it is. Click on the next button. And here you can add filter or edit your post. I'm gonna leave as it is and click on next button. Here you can type in a caption or tag people according to your preference. I'm gonna do nothing and click on next. And that is how you can share your thread post to Instagram.